Hello and welcome back to my Unreal Engine 4 Blueprint turn-based tutorial series. That is such a mouthful. Anyway, let me show you what we're going to be doing today. It's something pretty cool. It was a request. Let's have a look. So now when you attack, you're going to get an option for a button to attack again. So you attack twice. And the second attack's just a little add-on. And then you can, if you miss the button, it's just going to do one attack. Alright, so let me show you how I've gone about doing this. Just let me open everything up. Okay, well we can open up on our side so long. Let's open up the battle widget. We'll open up the game HUD. We will open up our AIs. I haven't been here in a while. Let's open up our AIs. Okay, then we're gonna open up our actual character. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a few new variables. So let me just get my reference project all ready. Okay, so now we're going to add some booleans. So let's do that. First one we're going to call can combo, and the second one we'll call combo 1, and the last one we'll call turn done. Alright, and we're going to make all of these publicly editable. We're going to go into our event graph, I believe. I don't actually think we need to call any of these yet. Okay, let's go over to our game HUD. Now we've got these variables. And we're going to add a button. We're just going to make it nice and big for now. Anchor it to the middle. Okay, and then we're going to add a on-clicked event. And off of our on-clicked event, we're going to grab our player reference, and we're going to get, so let me see what I did. We're going to set combo 1 to true, and then we're going to run a delay of 1 second, not 0.12, 1 second. And we'll duplicate the set combo 1, plug that in, and plug its target in, and set it to not active. Anyway, so now we've got that out of the way. Let's click on our button. Let me just see if this is visible by default. It doesn't matter. Okay, so we're going to click on our button, and then we're going to go down to visibility, and we're going to click bind. Create a binding. We're going to drag out, and we're going to duplicate this return node, disconnect that. We're going to set one of them to hidden. Then we're going to grab our player reference, and then what we're going to do is get can combo, and if you can combo, we're going to do a branch, and if you can combo, we'll set it to visible. And if you can't, first thing we're going to do is we're going to drag off our player reference, and we're going to set turn done to true, and then we'll plug it in like that. Okay, so compile and save. Then next thing that we're going to have to do is head over to our battle widget, and where we perform our attacks. So over here we're going to do some things. Let's have a look see. So right after we've set our visibility here, we're going to change this delay to 0.5. We're going to make some space, quite a bit of space. and then we're going to get another reference to our player just for neatness. Just gotta find that. So player reference, and we're gonna set can combo to true, and we'll duplicate this delay, plug it in like that, and then we'll duplicate our set can combo, not the delay, plug that in and set it to false, plug the target into your player reference. Then we're gonna just move these guys out a little bit more, and then we're gonna get from our player reference, we're gonna say get combo 1, and then we're gonna do a branch off of the can combo. So branch condition being combo 1, and if it is false, we're going to move that over there, and if it's false, we're going to perform our normal attack, and if it is true, then what we're going to do is we're going to drag off of our player reference and say attack 1 anim, or yeah, attack anim 1, and we'll play that, and then we will run a delay of 1 second, and after that delay we're going to drag off of our player reference and call attack, so it would be our normal attack first, so that would be 0.3, and then we would do a delay again of 0.5 seconds, and we'll duplicate our attack function, plug that in, and set this to 0.1, plug the target into your player reference, and then from the attack, the last one here, you're going to plug it into the enable input. Alright, so let's have a look, see. Inside of our game reference, turn done. Okay, now inside of our AI, let's work on the AI. So I've opened up the first AI that we have, and I'm going to do some things in here. So let's do that. We're going to go over to where we receive damage on our event graph, and just before here we're going to run a check. So we're going to pull off of here and say cast to my character, and we'll say get player character, let me have a look, see. We'll say get battle widget reference, compile, and let's just go back to here quickly inside of our game HUD and delete this turn done, sorry. Go over to your battle widget and you're going to add another boolean variable. We're going to call this turn done. I don't think we need the other one. We'll set that to publicly editable. Then we'll go back over to our game HUD. We drag off of the player reference and say get battle widget reference, and then we will say set turn done to true. Alright, so now let's go back over to our AI, and off of this battle widget reference that we've got here, we're going to drag off and we're going to say get turn done, and we'll do a branch, and we will plug off of the cast to my character into the branch, Then, sorry, I'm just a bit confused about myself here. We'll plug it into the AI attack choice, and then we'll drag off of the paddle widget reference, and all the way at the end of the solve function we'll say set turn done to null, and that for all intents and purposes should work. Let's just have a quick test. So we need to battle our first AI with the first attack, and it seems like it has worked. Let's just see if just let me see if it works with only one attack, because I did have that problem, and it does seem to be working. Okay, so save and compile, and now we need to reiterate on all of the other buttons.